Emily, and I'm here at the Cromwell Belden Public Library. Today, I am going to show you how to make a balloon rocket. Let's get started. Okay, so today in your kit, you're going to have 2 balloons. I only have 1, but you'll have 2 in case one pops. You are going to have a straw, and you are going to have a piece of string that's super long. This one's folded up a couple of times. From home, you just need to bring scissors, tape, pretty easy, and then 2 objects that are same height. You can see these 2 chairs. That's what we're going to use today to tie our yarn onto. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do is take our straw. If you have a bendy one, you're going to snip off the bendy part because we just want a nice straight straw. You're going to thread your yarn through it. Oh my gosh, this is longer than I expected. Guys, this is not as easy as it looks. Ah! I'm so sorry, everyone. Apparently this is much harder than I thought. It keeps sticking to my finger and then pulling itself up, and then we're halfway there. Okay, I'm going to turn it through the straw. And then you're going to take one end and tie it onto your first chair or whatever object you want to use. I'm just going to knot it on here. And I don't mind doing a knot because I can always just cut this off at the end. So that's knotted on. And then you are going to take the other end and knot it onto that. Now I'm going to push this out of the way because we want to make this a little bit further apart. So we'll tie it loose and then pull them apart to tighten it. Okay, so now my strings are tied on, but I want it to be nice and tight, so I'm going to push my chairs apart so that they're nice, and see how the string is nice and tight across here? There we go. Okay, so now I'm going to stretch my balloon a little bit before I blow it up. You might need a grown-up's help blowing it up. I don't know, and we'll see. So I blew it up, and I'm holding it closed. I don't want to let any air out yet. And then I'm going to take a piece of tape, a nice long one, and I'm going to tape my balloon onto my straw. And then, see the end where the air is coming out? I want to start with that closest to the chair. Are you ready? Here we go. Woo! And there it goes. And guess what? If you don't make a hole in your balloon, you can do it all over again. And that is the balloon rocket.